In the previous lecture, we have created this chimney. We have installed the chimney in our building. Now, in this lecture, we will import a second floor. That means I will import. This is a ground floor, and I will import now the first floor in my Dialux EO, so that you can learn how to import the drawing of the first floor in the Dialux EO. That is how you can create a two-story building in a Dialux EO. Before starting this lecture, I want to tell you that on this channel you can learn various electrical design softwares like Etap, Dixon Power Factory, PV System, Dialux EO, and Autodesk. In addition to these softwares, you will also learn various electrical design technical things on this channel. Now, let us start today's lecture. This is our building. First of all, this is a single story building. We will remove first of all this roof from this building. We will go to the roofs and click on the roof and press delete. Then we have to remove also this chimney. So we will go to furniture and objectives and click on the chimney and press delete. Now we will go to construction, and here we will change the building height to 3 meter again. Now this is our first floor or a ground floor. Okay, we will go to this plans and we will import a plan, and we will import a plan for the first floor. This is the ground floor plan, and now we will import the plan for first floor. Okay, we can click on load plan and we will search what is my file. Actually I was working on this. I will go to electric Dialux EO layout. Now this is our first floor and this is the ground floor on which we have worked, and now we will import this first floor. Click on this floor and click open. Okay, the plan is introduced here. Here it is to, you have to take the select the reference. We will take reference here like this. Okay, then you will see the dimensions. We will say select the units as millimeters and click finish. Okay, now first of all we will move this plan little bit this side so that we can work it easily on this. We can click on move and then select this point and take this one side like this. Okay, now our plan is on here, but we have to take this plan on this side. First of all I will work on this plan to some, we have to do some work on this plan. We will select first this plan. This is a ground floor plan and this is a first floor plan. The plan on which you have to work, you can select that. So we have to work on the first floor. I selected here. First of all I will close some layers. This layer is important. This layer I will close. This layer I will close. This layer, what is this? Okay, no problem. What is this? No, we can keep it. This is okay. This no, we should keep it. And this, okay, no problem. This, no problem. Seems we can close this. Check one by one and see what you need first to build a floor. You can keep this. You can keep this. Okay. No, we can should keep this. I think we should keep this. Okay. This was okay. We should keep this. Then this. Okay, no problem. This. Okay, not needed. Okay, we should keep it. Not needed yet. This is the not needed yet. Not okay. Later on we will activate this again. Back to these layers. First of all, we have make this because this helps us to easily match ground floor with the first floor. Now what we can do, we can move. Now we have to select the appropriate move point so that our building will get easily coincide with the ground floor. Okay, I think we will take the street stair point. This is the stair point. I think we will take this point and coincide with this point. Okay, we can do move and click this point here and move it to here. Okay, I can keep yes. See, it is almost perfect, but there is a little bit change. I will select, I will check, I will check other pointers also. You can see here there is a problem. I will first of all change the color of my, we will change this color to let it be blue. This will be also blue so that it becomes visible. This is, keep this as a black, this one. Now you can see these are not coinciding perfectly, so we can go again to move. We can move this point to this point. Okay, it seems not aligning. We can move again. We have to try to align it. We are trying to align it. Maybe we will align this point here. I will see how to align. One minute, we can go again to layers. We have how many layers we have? This layer. What is this layer? We can keep it blue also. We can keep all the layers blue so that it will be visible to us easily. Okay, now if we close this loop, okay. Now close this. We will align now. We will align it again there. We will see at the sphere what is the position. Yeah, okay. We can align this point with this point. Okay. It get aligned. Now we will see here what has happened. Not aligning. I think there is a problem with this CAD file. We can again move it this point to this point. Okay. Okay, this is coinciding. Actually, there is a problem with the CAD file. No problem. We can work on that. The CAD file is not perfect. See here it is aligning, but here it is not aligning properly, but it is aligning. You can check like this. 1 minute. It is almost aligning perfectly. On some points it is not aligning because there is actually a problem with the CAD file. That is the reason. I will try to align this point with steer. Okay, you can see there is a problem with the CAD file. It is not problem with this. CAD file is not properly aligned. That is the reason we are not getting it properly. Okay, we can move it again to this point. This point should be moved to this point. Okay, I will try it one more time. Try to align this point. Okay, now it seems almost perfect. Only little bit difference on the steers because this is not perfectly aligned. The CAD, this is the problem with the CAD file. Okay, in the next lecture we will start building the second floor. Thank you.